Hello viewers, I'm Azam Ghani, the founder of Menteso IP and Executive Director of International Intellectual Property Law Association. I welcome you all to the Global IP News video where we present you with all the important events in the IP industry from all around the world. Let's start with today's news. Number 1. A former GlaxoSmithKline PLC scientist pleaded guilty on Monday to conspiring to steal trade secrets from the British drug manufacturer to benefit a Chinese pharmaceutical company. A 44-year-old Lucy Shi entered her plea in Philadelphia federal court, becoming the fourth person to admit to wrongdoing in connection with a scheme to misuse GSK's trade secret to benefit Reno Pharma, which received financial support from the Chinese government. Number 2. Cambodia will be taking its role as a member of the Coordination Committee of the WIPO from 2022 to 2023, along with Denmark and several other countries, announced last week by the Ministry of Commerce of Cambodia. Number 3. According to a notice to be published in the Federal Register on Wednesday, the US Patent and Trademark Office laid out its process for issuing sanctions when trademark applications violate its rules. The sanctions process now underway is part of an effort to protect the integrity of the trademark register, which is undermined when improper registrations are issued or submitted. Number 4. The ongoing copyright case between the Angela Games and Snail Games over Myth of Empires continues, with Snail Games recently filing a countersuit against Angela Games and Tencent. The new lawsuit is in response to the Angela Games' own suit requesting an injunction and quick decision by a judge on the alleged copyright violations. Number 5. An Indian lyricist Simran Goraya lodged an FIR yesterday against owners of a music company for selling his song to another entity without consent, which led to it being used in a Punjabi film. Number 6. According to a trademark trial and appeal board filing submitted late last week, Amazon Technologies Inc. is opposing the registration of the mark AWS Music. The filing says that consumers are likely to be confused, mistaken, or deceived into believing that the goods offered by the applicant Aidan W. Shimal under the AWS Music mark emanate from or are in some way endorsed by Amazon. Amazon provides cloud services from global data centers under the brand name Amazon Web Services, also referred to as AWS. Number 7. American Films Inc., which owns, develops, acquires, and protects intellectual property in the creative and media spaces, today announced it has acquired key assets in both its United States and Brazil operations of One-Click Data, an established provider of identification, validation, search, monitoring, and valuation services. Number 8. A recently filed patent by Shopify shows it edging closer to brick-and-mortar retail, which is the type of tech also used by the Amazon. The filed patent appears similar to the same just walkout tech that Amazon has deployed across its grocery stores in the UK. Number 9. The US Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, has awarded a 7-year, $87 million contract to Accenture Federal Services, AFS, to help streamline the trademark lifecycle through supporting and enhancing its trademark product line, reported yesterday. Number 10. On January 3, the USPTO announced an extension of the modified COVID-19 prioritized examination pilot program. Compliant requests filed on or before March 31st, 2022 will be accepted in the program. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on LinkedIn or Facebook to get updates about our daily IP news. I'll be back again tomorrow with the latest IP industry news. Till then, take care.